Just finished a cabinet meeting here, the last cabinet meeting of the year, and we have signed off as a government on the new CAP strategic plan, and it will deliver €10 billion for farm families across the country for the 5-year period from 2023 to 2027. And it's a CAP plan which really will back farm families and has family farm income at its core. What it sees is a 50% increase in the government funding contribution in this CAP plan compared to what was there in the previous CAP. And that's a reflection of how this government is fully backing farm families, to continue to be sustainable in producing the top quality food which is sought after internationally and which will be at the core of farm family income in the years ahead. And I'm very grateful to the support of my Cabinet colleague, the Minister for Public Expenditure, Michael McGrath, for his tremendous support, not just in delivering this CAP, but also in terms of delivering the agriculture budget last year, where there was an 11% increase for the Department of Agriculture and Food budget to ensure the existing schemes could continue, and also backing that again for 2022, and really importantly in terms of delivering that 50% increase in national funding for the CAP programme running from 2023 to 2027.
Thanks very much, Charlie, and it's been a pleasure working with Charlie in relation to the CAP strategic plan over the past number of months, and I want to commend Charlie in doing such a fantastic job and in securing a really strong package of funding now for the duration of this CAP, which will really underpin rural communities right throughout the country and sustain the livelihoods of farmers and their families over that period of time. Great work by Charlie on behalf of Fianna Fáil and indeed on behalf of the government, and I look forward now to working with them every year as part of the annual budgetary process, where we'll seek to continue to make improvements to the schemes and the livelihoods that underpin so many communities across our country.